Hi, I'm here today to talk to you about this Ditto Apple iPad Generation 10 iPad cover. So I purchased a new iPad. It's a Generation 10, and I didn't realize that Generation 10 is a different size than 9, 8, and 7. So you have to have a different type of cover. Not that it's anything different, but a different size. So just keep that in mind when you're looking for a iPad cover, that if you have the Generation 10, it's a different size than the others. So this is a really nice pad cover. Let me just show you how it works. It comes like this. And then these are soft over here. So when you go to take your iPad, you want to make sure you line it up with the spots. Like this here is for your camera. So you're going to line that up, and then you just work with it a little bit and press your iPad right into those slots. And see, it goes right in there. Now I want to show you something else that this cover does. Will allow you to have your iPad stand up. All you do is just simply take it like that, and now your iPad will stand, and you can place it on a table or even on your lap, so now you can work on it. This was a very economical type of cover. Some of the other covers I looked at were quite expensive, and I just thought this was great. It comes in a ton of different colors, and of course I get pink, so this works really well for me and protects my iPad. And that's just my honest opinion.